Hi guys and girls, this is Brian and this is going to be my review on the Siemens SN1049718TE dishwasher with Alexa control, and I'm going to be telling you what my likes and dislikes are on this dishwasher. I've had it for about a week now, right? So I'm going to be letting you know what my thoughts are on this dishwasher. It's a 16 setting plate setting dishwasher, and what you actually get on the dishwasher, you get your cutlery basket at the top here, and this cutlery basket, this cutlery tray, you can actually lift it out. You can actually lift it out of the dishwasher, or you can just actually, once it's actually finished, you can actually just lift your cutlery out yourself and actually pull it away. And then once you push your cutlery basket in, then you got your basket here for your bowls and your cups and glasses and whatever, and then you actually just sort of like push it in as such, and then you've got your main basket at the bottom for your plates and your pots and pans and whatever else. The fantastic thing about this dishwasher is that this basket, what you can actually do with this basket is you can actually adjust the height of the basket. So you can actually raise the basket, or you can actually lower the basket, depending on the heights of your pots and your pans and whatever else. So that's a fantastic feature. I think is it the AGG, basically the commercial dishwashers, they've got that feature on them, and I believe you have to pay around £1,500 for them dishwashers. But this one cost me just under £900. So you're making quite a considerable feature, quite a considerable saving, and basically getting some of the features for basically the cost of one of the more premium dishwashers, right? I'll go on to some more of the advanced features now on the dishwasher, right? When you actually excuse me, when you actually put your you turn the dishwasher on here, and then what you actually get, you actually get this nice neon blue light, LED light. But the fantastic thing about this dishwasher is when you actually put your tablet in or into the dishwasher, there's a sensor in there, and it actually senses the tablet. It actually senses that you've actually put the tablet into the dishwasher. You've actually got, if I just take the basket back out again, you've got your reservoir down the bottom for the salt. Now, I suppose you already know this, but you can't use ordinary table salt for a dishwasher. You have to use special salt for a dishwasher. I think I've got some here. Pack that up the sport. So I use basically finish. So basically you have to use this is the salt that I use. The salt that's in there at the moment is Finnish, but I went to Home Bargains and I bought this one from Home Bargains a couple of days ago, and then the rinsing agent, that's the rinsing agent that I use, and then the salt goes in to the bottom, and then, as it says, like you got your wash you rinse your wash arm at the bottom, and then you've just got 2 clips at the side, and you actually pinch the clips, lift them up, and then you've got a tray that comes up, which has got the filter that comes up with it, and then you just rinse the filter every so often under the tap to clean the filter out and whatever. And then at the bottom of this basket here, you've got your rinse arm for the top basket as such, right? So as it says, you've got a sensor in here that senses when you put the tablet in. If I just push this down here, yeah, this is where you put your rinse aid in, and then there's a sensor in here that senses the rinse aid, and then when the rinse aid is low, it will tell you on the display here that the rinse aid is low, basically, and then it's got a display on the front here, so it will tell you on the display in the front here when the salt is low, and when the rinse aid is low. It will also tell you on the front here as well. The also fantastic feature on this dishwasher as well is that what you can actually do on this dishwasher, it's got something on it called Vario Speed Plus. So basically, whatever program you actually set it to, if you press the Vario Speed Plus button, what it will do is complete that program in half of the time, right? So that's a fantastic feature, right? It's, I believe it's a AAA rated dishwasher, so it's extremely energy efficient, right? It's also got Home Connect as well, so you can basically, what I can actually do is basically if I just basically turn it on, you'll see it come up with Siemens on the display, and then if I just press this button here, and then you'll see it come up with remote access activated on the display, and then if I just shut that door, and then you'll see it say on the display, see if I can focus in on that. I don't think I can. I think it's too bright. See if I can focus in a bit better so you can see. But there it says remote start activated, right? And then if I go over onto another tablet here, this is the Home Connect app here, right? So if I tap the Home Connect app, right, I'll show you all the options in the Home Connect app, right? So what I can actually do from the Home Connect app, I can actually turn the dishwasher on and I can turn it off from the Home Connect app. So if you actually look at the dishwasher now, just by tapping the on off button from the app, I can actually turn the dishwasher off. I can turn it back on again, right? And then these are the options that I actually have available in the app, right? So if I tap on control, right, you can actually see that there's an option for an intensive wash, right? You just wait, it just says it's connecting. There's an option for an intensive wash, right, which is and it actually tells me the duration of the wash, right, which is for an hour and 55 minutes. But if I tap the Vario plus button, it will actually half that. So it will actually complete that wash within half of the time. So whatever wash cycle I actually select with that Vario option button, I can actually complete the wash in half of the time, basically. So that's a really fantastic feature. If you're in a rush and you want to complete your wash cycle quicker, then it will still give you a fantastic clean, but it will just complete it in half of the cycle, basically. So if you're in a rush and you want to get that wash, you want to get it your wash completed quickly, then you've got that option, basically. The only downside to it is that it will actually use a lot more energy, basically. But if you actually, when you actually select that option, I believe in the app, right, it will actually tell you, you'll actually get a diagram in the app basically telling you how much electricity and how much water it will actually use. So when you press the Vario, I believe it's on the, see either in the app or on the machine, it will actually tell you, if you select that option, I believe it's in the app. In the app, it will actually tell you, yeah, in the app, it will actually tell you, in the app, you get a diagram at the top telling you if you use the Vario. See if I can find it in the app. Yeah, here. Yeah, in the app here. Yeah. If you look here in the app, if you select the intensive one, right, and then at the bottom here, you see it says Vario Speed Plus, and then if I tap that to actually select that option, you'll see the two lines here at the top, and then when I take that option off, right, you'll see the time, you'll see them two bars drop down, right, and then when I add that option on again, you'll see them two lines, you'll see them drop down, or they'll go back up again, basically, just to indicate that it will use a bit more electricity or a bit more water, basically. So that's the only downside to actually using it. But it just means that if you're in a rush, you've got that option, basically, to actually use the Vario speed function and get your cycle completed a lot quicker. Right, I'm going to pause this video. I'm sorry, I'm going to stop this video now and come back again because there's some more other features that I want to show you. Okay, bye for now.